on stage today. Young people today face a lot of hair problems, as you are aware. And I was just asking and thinking about the problem of early graying hair. So what do you think about it?
It's true, actually. In a dermatological practice today, you see virtually every other patient has a hair problem of some kind or the other. And there are so many internal and external factors that we face today that have an adverse effect on our hair health every day of our lives. Of which actually graying, and especially premature graying or early graying, is becoming more and more important and more widespread as a problem. The little, problem about it now is that in this current generation, youngsters are developing early graying, in their 20s, sometimes even in their teens. And that's a really sad thing compared to what the earlier generation used to develop post 35, post 40. So yes, it is becoming a matter of concern today.
I totally agree with you on that because I've noticed that myself and seen a lot of cases that way. So doctor, do you think, what do these people actually feel when they go through this?
Well, when you see your first gray or your first set of grays, you will feel it's not my time, it's not my age. Especially, it becomes a bit difficult because the first 2 or 3 grays, it's not something you notice yourself. It's usually somebody else, either in the family or your hairdresser or some of your friends who are going to point out to you and say, oh, you've got 2 or 3 or 4 gray hair and, you're looking silver. And you get that instant feeling because silver or gray, we are conditioned to believe that it's the end of youth. And obviously, it will not bring about a very nice feeling in anybody who experiences it.
I can totally understand and echo the "it's not my time" situation because that's what a lot of people feel. Yeah. The minute they see a gray, they say, "it's not my time." Well, doctor, I request you now to just take us through the science behind graying of hair and what we can do to either slow it down or just delay it.
Great. So, in just a little snapshot, there are a lot of beliefs about graying, and around in media, or we'll get a lot of inputs that the environment or dust or pollution or water or diets or any of those kind of things, okay, your lifestyle, all of that is responsible for graying. But really, if you go down to the science of hair color, it lies in this little pigment which is called melanin. And at the center of graying is this pigment.
Today. It's lovely having you. I'll just give you the mic.
Thank you.
And we're really excited about you launching Marico's True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic, a disruptive innovation that delays graying of hair from the roots.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. A very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for coming here on a Monday morning. I am so excited to introduce you to Marico's newest brand launch, True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic. It's such a pleasure, I think, when you see something and a product that's going to actually help you in the best and most natural way possible and give you a choice to delay your graying. Actually, I think, in today's day and age, we think of so many things as why we are turning gray so fast and earlier than our previous generations. And the only scientific reason is melanin. The pigment melanin, I think you guys spoke about it just now, but when melanin starts depleting, that's when you start having gray hair. And what this does is basically increase your level of melanin. And those of you who think that this is not my time to go gray right now, this is for you.
Absolutely. We were just talking about that and saying it's a very strong feeling that we have. It's not my time to go gray. Well, we were just talking, of course, to the dermatologists and Marico R&D experts on the True Roots, and they told us about the clinical study about it. So what do you feel?
Well, it is clinically proven, and it has basically all natural ingredients. There's nothing which is going to be harmful at all. It's completely tested, proven. And it has the main ingredient it has is apigenin, which is basically extracted from chamomile flower and other botanical actives. So it's extremely natural, it's extremely healthy. And there's an added benefit to that, which is that it also makes your hair really soft and sort of shiny, and it sort of makes your hair feel really good. I've tried it, and I think it's really amazing.
Almost like it's like a condition.
Conditions, yeah. It conditions your hair. Like, how I used to put something or the other because after a hair wash. But this solves my problem in both ways. Like, it's actually helping my roots also, and it's also helping my hair.
Wow. So the entire hair and at the scalp level as
both.
well.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I'd like to now ask you, why have you decided to endorse True Roots?
That is a very important question, I think. Because, there's so much talk about gray hair. And I think gray hair is great. It's absolutely lovely. But it's also great to have a choice. Whether you want to go gray right now or whether you want to have your natural hair color right now. And I think that is important. It's your choice, whatever you want. But when you are given the choice in the most natural format, that is something I think very important, because when I remember I started having grays when I was about 20 years old, and I suddenly started getting a lot of grays. And I didn't do anything about it till I was 28 because I liked it. I was like, it's fine, I'm fine with it. But what happened with me, I mean, this is my personal experience and this is why I'm here today, is because in my field, I was required to play different parts, and sometimes it was okay to have those, and sometimes it was not okay to have them. And then what do? And I tried all the other things that we've all tried, right from plucking my hair to, and then again they're coming and standing up. And I think this is what I want, because I like to look at the problem in the eye and solve it, face it, solve it. And this is what goes directly to your roots and manage the root cause and doesn't sort of deal with it superficially.
It's literally like hitting the nail on the head.
Absolutely, yeah.
So in your case, it suits you perfectly, like the reason why you are with it. That's fantastic. So you have used the product. So can you tell us what it feels like?
Yeah.
And can we see how it is?
Yes. So basically, you need to use this product for 90 days in order to get the result. And it's proven that after 90 days, you won't have a gray hair. It delays the graying from the roots. So I haven't used it for 90 days yet, but the moment they approached me, they gave me the product and I've been using it. So I'm actually very excited to see the effect. It's aqua-based, so it's not sticky, and it's a spray. So you just spray it in your hair. It's really soft. You don't have to wash it out, and it has a nice fragrance, so my hair smells nice. And you just have to massage it, and that's all. It's extraordinarily convenient.
Wow,
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Are you all excited about this? Yeah, that's because we can actually see it in you, and we're feeling it too.
I mean, I think everybody has funny gray hair stories, and they not necessarily have to be bad. And they're really funny. But I mean, would anybody like to?
I think
tell
a great
story
idea
about grey hair.
You can actually ask somebody.
I don't know.
if they
Anybody
have a
wants
grey
to
hair
say
story.
a story about their first gray hair?
Would anyone like to volunteer?
Do you remember when you got your first gray hair? Anybody remembers? Oh yeah?
I think I've had gray hairs since I work in advertising and handling shoots and crazy deadlines for PR events. Yeah, but I like color. I like coloring my hair, but I never go for coloring root touch-ups or color my grays. I still have like pinkish, translucent grays on my head.
Yeah.
And I think this product is something that's going to help. I mean, since I've been working on it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's, I mean, just to have some patience and see within 90 days what
Yeah.
magic it does.
I think that is what is really great. I feel that, you know, you have the choice to color your hair a color because you want that color, and to have the choice to have your natural color coming out of your own scalp. I mean, you know, just to have the choice is so amazing, and to go the natural way. I agree with you.
Yeah, I feel it's kind of magical because you have grays and you always think that that's I mean, your hair is dead. You usually cut them out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's great that there's something that will actually solve it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
But what about the men? I think you should ask one of the gentlemen out here about their experience on graying.
Anybody?
Come on, I'm sure you're brave enough to talk about it.
I think it's so nice to share something
Yes,
like this.
it is. Anybody out here? The gentleman here, sir, do you remember? Maybe have a mic over here.
Hi.
Frankly speaking, I'm really upset with this True Roots because if I'm going to carry this home, my wife, as it is, she's unhappy with the way I look now.
Oh, come on.
And the grey hair, I've been longing for grey hair from the time I was 35.
Yeah.
Frankly
That's a great
speaking.
age.
So I'm happy today because 2 weeks
Yeah.
ago she told me that तुम्हारा बाल अभी 90% सफेद हो गया. I said I'm very happy about it.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to cut it.
Absolutely.
And I'm loving it actually.
Yeah.
So I'm frankly speaking, no doubt, congratulations to your company for
Yeah.
launching this product and you endorsing it.
Absolutely.
But I personally feel I wouldn't be carrying it home to, otherwise she'll get impressed and she'll ask me to use it.
But it
That's
is
I'm,
not
I'm,
for you
I'm
also.
happy. I'm happy
It's-
with my grey hair.
I think it's for people who are not even my generation.
Yeah.
It's like it's their 20s.
For the young, the
True,
young
true.
people. Okay, fantastic. That's so cool. And so thank you so much. Thank you for contributing to
Thank
your
you.
opinions and your experiences. Some people actually say, you know, I got it because of my boyfriend or girlfriend. So that could be a contributing factor too. So I would now like to open the floor for any questions to the media. And we'd also like to encourage Dr. Sangeeta and Dr. Avni to come on stage so you can answer any questions the media has.
Hi. So Radhika,
Yes.
so starting your career from the offbeat, now you are the part of the mainstream Bollywood cinema. So you are a public figure as well. So followed by a lot of people, especially female fans, who follow you for your whatever you do, whatever you wear, whatever products you use. So while endorsing a product, while going for a product, how much are you aware about the credibility of the product, about the pros and cons of that product?
I have been given the whole material on their testing and what tests they've done and how natural the product is, every single ingredient in it, what it is. I mean, I didn't even know some of them, but they actually explained to me what everything is. So it's definitely 100% natural. I have been using it, and you're absolutely right. It really makes me feel very responsible when I'm launching something, and I feel like, do I promote it? And I feel that in today's day and age, the amounts of things that people do to not have gray at the age of 20, 25, it's a choice. I personally love gray hair. I have so many friends in even my hair, you know what I mean? I have had it since the past 15 years, not 15 years, 13 years. And it's not a problem. But if you want a choice, if you have a choice, isn't that amazing? I mean, you can choose today to have your hair in the natural color growing out of your skull and scalp, and you can have different reasons for wanting that, and that's fine. A person wants different kinds of hair. Somebody wants it short, somebody wants it long. It's a choice. So I wanted gray, I wanted my own natural hair, is a choice. And when you're younger, in your 20s, the melanin, the rate at which it depletes is much slower than when it depletes later on. which is why this can actually, the levels that this it helps you increase the level of melanin, it actually helps in that age group. So it's not anti-aging at all. Does that answer your question?
He was making sure he got you on his camera as well. All right, thank you. Any other questions that you'd like to address to the doctors as well? The gentleman here in front.
Yes.
Radhika, web series are a new concept and you being favorite of the web series as such. But do you think there should be limitation for the web series when it comes to creative medium, as there is a censorship in film, so there should be censorship?
Mariko. That's why we are here today. Please. Please, please. We'll talk. I'm with you for a long time now, coming months.
Okay, last question, anybody?
I think
Regarding the product today. Yeah, the lady.
Hi, Radhika.
Hi.
What I want to know is this a preventive or is this a corrective?
It's basically very simple. The only scientific reason why you get grays is basically your levels of melanin goes down.
Yeah.
It happens with age, and maybe it also happens with the lifestyle changes. I'm not 100% sure about how it happens, but it does happen. And it's also true that it's happening earlier now.
Yeah.
All this does is that it's like literally naturally extracted from...
So it's a corrective.
I mean, I don't know the exact definition of the word. Ow! You can help. Yeah.
Hi.
But it increases the levels, basically.
So it's not a corrective solution, it's a preventive solution, which is why we are saying it delays gray, right? So there is your biological process which is going to happen, it's going to happen. All you can do is slow it down. And that's what this product attempts to do. Yeah?
So
it
what
will
if
slow
somebody
down.
says that, oh, I think I'm going to start graying and can I use this?
Absolutely, absolutely. The earlier you start, so the first gray that you notice is the best time to pick up this product and start using it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Would you like to add to anything to that, doctor?
Well, just to what Radhika and Abni have been saying, all of us face this problem. I mean, at some point, everybody's hair is going to go gray, but it's when it happens at a young age that you get a little more traumatized because, you know, like we've all said, it's not your age for that to happen. And at that time, if you have a solution available to you, which you can use, which is easy to use, which is absolutely harmless, which actually, along with using it, also conditions your hair, keeps it soft. A youngster would find it easy to use such a product and delay the onset of any further graying. Yeah. You could use it. You could use it. It would be, I mean, it wouldn't harm you in any way, right? So suppose you had a family history that, you know, people in your family, your parents, etc., grayed earlier. Suppose your mom, your dad grayed at about 30, 35. You might have a tendency to gray even earlier than that, in your 20s, at 25. And you may choose to start a preventive regime. It's like we do gymming to keep us healthy, or we eat well to, you know, keep us fit as you grow older, just like that, right?
Perfect.
as the name goes, I think as the name goes, True Roots is a product that gives you the choice to not have grays at a very early age in your life. And I think it's amazing to have that choice in the most clinically proven and natural way, where the whole intention and the approach behind having this product is you face it and you solve it. Let's start from the roots. Let's go 100% natural. And I think that's why I'm here, and that's what I'd like to say about this Marico's latest brand launch, True Roots Botanical Hair Tonic.
How far do you think the success of a brand, the responsibility of endorsing the brand, as right now, endorsing the brand, how far the responsibility lies on the celebrity? Because there is a lot of, loopholes when the brand is the responsibility goes to the
celebrity. To be honest with you, if you actually notice, I haven't been associated with a lot of brands before this. So what I will learn in my experience is probably your answer, which we'll probably be able to discuss in the near future if I actually, understand how it functions. But of course, I think what happens is that the brand has their own following, and the celebrity has their own following. Somewhere you need to match your understanding, and you need to have the same wavelength somewhere. And I think here, the reason why I'm highlighting this matter again and again, saying that it's a choice that they're providing us with. Because in today's day and age, everybody wants different kinds of choices, and we try to go try to find different ways of having that result, which might not be very good for us. So if you can provide somebody with a better solution, and then you can still have grays and flaunt them if you don't want to hide them, that's absolutely great as well. But to have this choice the natural way is really good. And in my field, it's like a blessing, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm here, and this is where our paths cross, and I really like the fact that it's 100% natural. Yeah.
And the same question regarding the web series, ma'am. Not a negative question for this. Big producers, big creators being a part of the web series, big artists. So you are an icon for the web series, being part of so successful web series. What you've said, what kind of change is making in the main entertainment cinema as such?
I'll briefly answer this question. I personally feel that what has this digital platform done is that it's really generated a lot of employment and really good content, because for various reasons. It doesn't have censorship, and of course the format of a web series is very different from a format of a film. So it has great advantages, and yeah, I think a viewer has a choice to watch something at home as well as watch something in the theaters.
But will it be challenging for the future filmmaker, or
I think certain films will still run, and I hope they do. I love cinema. I really love. हाँ? जी, तो कल बात करेंगे ना. कल है ना, आप भी है. आज ये बात करते हैं ना. अलग अलग दिन अलग अलग चीजें. पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ यार. अब भी मैं लंदन से आई हूँ 2 घंटे पहले. नहीं, I really don't know. I actually don't know. For bad hair day. Oh, I just tie it up. I tie it up tight. and I wear red lipstick. I'm kidding. I just tie it up. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.